animation strip. Here is an animation strip for you. Cut the strips out of the given card sheet carefully. Place all the strips in sequential manner and flip it from one side. You will find a fine animation strip. Now, turn the sheets downside and again on flipping, you will find an amazing picture of Happy New Year as shown. Make such other animation strip to impress your friends.